Hi Ray, very quick video in addition to the text brief. So you can see here that I've got two Flinders Ranges tabs open, and if I click See on Map on this one, it opens up in a new tab. If I click on this one, you can see that it's opening up in the same window, and the difference is that this one that's opening up in the same window, I cleared the cache and then went to this. This is a demo page, so you don't need to be logged in. And as you can see, opening in the same window. Once I log in and then go to the same page, it opens in a new tab. So there is some issue there. So I'll leave you with that. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.